Hello and welcome to a video from filmsbychris.com. That's Chris the K. I'm Chris the K. Today we're going to be looking at copying, pasting stuff in your Linux terminal. So there's different ways to do this, and most of us hopefully know how to copy and paste stuff in our terminal. So for example, if I say ifconfig, look at my network settings, let's say I want to copy my IP address. I can just highlight this, and you know what? It's already copied. If you don't know this, Linux has multiple clipboards, and once you highlight something, it goes into one of those clipboards, and all you have to do is center click. What does that mean? Some people, they don't know what center click means. On your mouse, you might have a mouse wheel, and you can click it like a button. Once I highlight something, I can click that mouse, that center mouse buttons, click that wheel, and it will paste it. So for example, I can highlight this, click that, I can highlight all of this, click that, and that's it. So also you can use your keys. Also, I'm doing screencasting at the bottom here to help because I'm doing a lot of key combinations today. I don't think they're going to be extra clear. I'm going to try to explain things as we go. So that's one clipboard, but I could also highlight stuff and hit Control-Shift-C. So it shows up as Control-C there, but it's Control-Shift-C. And now to paste, so if you copied something from another program, Control-Shift-V will paste. So most programs, it's Control-C and Control-V. In your terminal, it's going to normally be Control-Shift C or V, because normally Control-C will kill an application. Now that's great, that's a normal way of doing things, but let's say we don't want to touch the mouse, but we want to copy something from our terminal here. Well, we have different options. And I use tmux, which allows me to split the screen and do multiple sessions in one window here. And in my config, which will be linked in the description of this video, along with the script I'm going to show you, I have it set up so I can use my leader, which is Control-A in my case. I think the default is Control-B. Most people change it to something a little easier to press. So I'm going to hit Control-A, and then I can hit Up Page, and now I can scroll through and select things. And I can kind of use Vim bindings here. So I can hit Shift-V, and I can select some lines. And then once I have what I want to copy, I can hit Y and then Q to get out of that, and then I can do Control-Shift-V to paste it there. So again, let me clear the screen. I'll do ifconfig. And again, on my system with my setup, link in the description to my config, Control-A, Up Page, find the line or lines that I want. I'll hit, keep doing Control-V, Shift-V, select a couple lines, Y to yank, Q to get out of that, Control-Shift-V. That's great. I find that a little cumbersome. It's cumbersome. The mouse is a little bit easier. But I wrote a script that actually allows me to use my keyboard if I just need one line or one word from a line that makes things a little bit easier. So let me look at my script here. It's called tmux.conf. And it's fairly simple. It uses tmux and FZF to give you a searchable selectable list. So what it's going to do here is it's going to capture everything in the current tmux panel. So basically on your screen right there. It's going to echo out all those lines, but then it's also going to echo out those lines, but find each new line or each space and make it a new line character. So that way I can select either an individual word or an entire line. And what we're doing is we're going to select something from there, and it's going to actually copy it into both clipboards. As I mentioned, there's multiple clipboards. So let's see that in action. So again, ifconfig, let's say I wanted to copy my IP4 or IPv6 address here. If I try to, if I just want my regular IP address, IPv4, I can double click that. Try to do that with IPv6, and it's not going to do that. If I click a couple times, it's going to select the whole line. Let's say I want just this. Well, what I can do is, with my setup, again, links in the description of the video, I'll hit Control-A and then M. And now I have this window here that's using FZF. And I can do something to filter this list. So I'll just type in FE. There we go. That's my IPv6. I can either select that individual word, or I can select the whole line. Once I find the line I want, and again, I filtered it by typing part of the line, enter. It's in both my clipboards. I can hit Control-Shift-V. So here's another example. Let's say I wanted the name of my Ethernet device. Again, Control-A, M, and I know it starts with ENX. There it is. I've got it. I can paste it. It has that extra little semicolon at the end. I can just backspace over that. So again, this is my tmux config along with my script for using FZF to select things on the screen. One more time, Control-A, M, and I can type in something like 192, and then I can choose my IP address or the whole line, depending on what I want. And I choose it, and it's in my clipboard. I can either Control-Shift-V or just center click to paste it. So check out the links in the description to both my config and that script. I hope you find it useful. I just find that it makes things a little bit quicker than trying again to Control-A, up page, find the line I want, and Shift V, and then selecting the lines. I like using FZF whenever possible. What's your solution to quick keyboard selecting and copying and pasting in your shell? Let me know below in the comments, and I hope that you have a great day.